So the police, they will show the police the place and will go and then get them arrested. How? The job is not done like that, professionally. You have to take us there and say, this is funny. It is a joint venture when we say crime prevention and crime combat. You don't leave it to the police that come and say that we should go and then kill ourselves, have ourselves killed. No. You have to brave the storm and go with us and help us. Don't be afraid. I told them that day. They went, never came back.
Yes, of course, Everlove TV, once again, we are here to give you exclusive content right here. Yes, Everlove TV will have the opportunity to be at the Municipal Assembly for a meeting with the chief fisherman from Adina or to Aplawu to Anyame. Everlove TV had that opportunity over the weekend. So we are here to give you the exclusive what happened there. Any okajole meeting to here Kenya meeting fisherman okata ojawagba cho ketu sat vadore Anyame fisherman yo afufi okata ko over atepopure keta municipal assembly ama o takpekpe to here particular fisheries commission to cho aho agbo anu yo nya mika domora ekwenye ba to shishide majeji na make light fishing carbide fishing pletomo makobe monofilament fishing mo pletomo kata onye ni oka ojagba discuss le municipal assembly ama Keta Police Commander. Yes, Keta Police Commander apeto Jordan Kwe depe frustration ko dogo enu yo keta things are not working in the municipality. Jordan Kwe, Commander Jordan Kwe was able to release all those things out. You know, we keep on blaming this police service that of this and this and this. Meanwhile, there are some procedures we have to do to let them help us. We are not doing that. The police commander Jordan Kwe was able to explain everything to us. You understand. You hear this voice, you hear this video, you listen to what he said, and then you can judge yourself about this. Actually, listening to him, I was like, wow, these things are all there, but you were not able to bring them out just to know that these things are happening. So viewers out there, Everlove TV on YouTube, remember to subscribe on YouTube.
Asala toshishimu yakaka mienya oda sawo lifu mienya kaka asa vorito nyama brone gashaga mako nyaba inya ajoshishi kula ro ngangamo na chiba nyama chakwa nyana magloma aha makoi ko plakama machako kama nyi magloma na de toji do ala men a
few minutes ago, the MC just called me to rush because there's something ongoing here, and I came. And I'm hearing all these things. If I were to be officially informed, I would have brought every fact that I have to come and prove whatever they are saying here against the police wrong. You see, my father once told me that if you are above 18 years, and you are going somewhere to look for loan, don't go and destroy your father in order to get a loan. And my father did not educate me well. That is what my father has been telling me all the time. You know, I'm a trained journalist. In journalism, what we were taught is that before you condemn somebody, by all means there must be a good side of that somebody. Definitely. People, I've been here 10 years now. March, I'll be in this town 10 years. All of you seated here, if you are safe, it's because of me and God. How many armed robberies have you recorded yourself? Considering your age and the number of years I've spent in this town. How many robberies have you experienced in this town? Because I don't sleep. Look into my eyes. I expected that the committee, fisheries committee or commission or whatever, that we have in Keta, it's end of year and beginning of year, and they will come to me, to my office. Commander, in the first place, thank you very much for taking care of us up to this date. But because of A, B, and C, we are peeved. Then we all sit down and plan it. But to push me here, to come and sit down, and what I'm hearing, I understand your language very well. It's only that I can't speak. Point is, most people have come to my office to come and report. That they come, I am, what do you call it? Chief fisherman. I've counted more than 20, 50 fish, chief fishermen. I've always advised that at least form a union. Get your photographs, your names, your designations. Come and open a file with my office, in my office, so that I know who I am dealing with. This man will come today, I'm chief fisherman. Another day, another man will come, I'm chief fisherman. So I don't know the fishermen that I'm dealing with. To be honest with you. And they come reporting cases that are beyond us. But sometimes the ones we can link up other jurisdictions, we do. They will come and then say, maybe there's light fishing in blah, 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 blah area. Do you know them? Say yes. Very well, say yes. They live with you? Say yes. They have become to sell fishing. But now, we can get them in Denu. Then I'll give you an extract or right behind my complimentary card and give it to you. That is not my jurisdiction. So go to Denu and go and report. Go and see the commander in person. I called the commander and followed up. Said all the people who came to report have vanished. They never even came back to tell me anything. Now there are some people sitting here blaming police. How? Where we don't have the resources. I tell them, I don't hide anything. As I'm standing here, I'm a crammer, I cannot even swim. Yesterday I was at the beach, Borges and then Block area. I was looking at the sea, I was telling my children, you see, we are Accra people, but we can't enter and go and swim. So it's the police that you have over here. If we don't have the resources, what can we do? All we'll tell you is that we'll go to, I'm a member of MUSEC. We discussed this several times. You ask my senior man, he'll tell you. We have planned that we involve the Navy. The naval people came here. Our Honorable MC invited them from Sugakupe or whatever it is. We went to a site for them. They did a lot of things, due diligence. But unfortunately, the money did not come for them to be able to come and assist the police. So they went off and never came again. So any report or complaint that they do, others also came and then told me, oh, Mr. Jordan, they have stolen outboard motors. Plenty of them. Where? In the house or where? They said, on the sea. So how do you leave your outboard motors on the sea? He said, that's how we do it. How did they know? They were able to come to my house with Rastaman. Where is Rastaman? I don't know his real name. The Rastaman brought a few personalities to my office. And they told me they have seen that the outboard motors are at Azim or so, Azim or so. He mentioned a place in Western region. They went there themselves and then blew up their cover. We gave them an investigator. They should have gone with the investigator. The policeman is trained. He will know what to do. Undercover. They went there and saw another chief fisherman. Whether he was part of the clique or not, how would you know? So in the event, they all ran away. And they came back to tell me, zero. They couldn't succeed. How do you go there without a policeman? Without a CID man? Hitherto in this town, for 10 years that I've been here, in March. What? No. You, the same people, compromise on the law. Then you had a committee that if somebody goes wrong, take the matter out of the police station and go and settle. And then impose fines. No, you are here, the same people are blaming police. What do you want us to do again? I'm surprised. To be honest with you, I'm surprised. So tell me, whenever you have come, I don't remember the time that, tell me one day that you came to me to report that Kweku is also a suspect that I never attempted to go and arrest that person. Tell me now. You the same people will come and say the person is not there. Recently, they came to my office and told me that the hardboard motors were in somewhere away. I said, you know the house? He said, yes. Go with us, go and arrest. I'll go with you. We'll go and get them arrested. They said they are afraid. So the police, they will show the police the place and we'll go and then get them arrested. How? The job is not done like that, professionally. You have to take us there and say, this is Kwame. It is a joint venture when we say crime prevention and crime combat. You don't leave it to the police that come and say that we should go and then kill ourselves, have ourselves killed. No. You have to brave the storm and go with us and help us. Don't be afraid. I told them that day. They went, never came back. Here we start. You see, if not the respect for you people, honorable people, when they called me, when the MCU called me, I wouldn't have even come. Because I don't have the facts. As I sit down here, you see, I don't even have a paper, I don't have a pen to write. All the documents are in my office right now. I would have brought everything to prove myself right. It's unfortunate that I'm talking this way. I'm a little bit emotional. Sorry, sir. Thank you very much.